Hey New Build Show, I'm Tim and today we're in the vibrant and charming West London village of Chiswick. Now we're stood right outside Kebbell Homes' brand new development and we're going to be doing a comparison today between a one-bed apartment priced at £525,000 and a two-bed apartment priced at £635,000. Let's take a look. So we're here in Chiswick, West London, and it's an incredibly vibrant, diverse place. You've got bars, restaurants, cafes, gyms, everything that you could possibly want on your doorstep. Chiswick Park and Turnham Green tube stations are just a short walk away, so getting into central London is super simple and easy. But we're set back by a couple of roads and it's incredibly quiet, it's peaceful. So this is the entire development from Kebbell Homes that we've got here. 17 different apartments, all of which have balconies or terraces. There's a shared communal garden space for you as well, which is beautiful. And did you know that this actually has the lowest service charges of anywhere here in Chiswick? So something fantastic. But I really want to show you what these one and two bed apartments look like inside and how you can style them slightly differently. So let's take a look. So this is the entrance hallway to your apartments. Now the first apartment that we're actually going to be seeing is on the first floor. So we're going to be going up these stairs through the doors and then there's actually direct access to the communal gardens off that floor as well. So we'll show you that a little bit later on. But let's go and check out this first apartment. So we've just come into the first apartment that we're looking at, and this is the two-bed apartment with a square footage of 677 square feet. Now, when you first come in, you have got an enormous bit of storage, which has an automatic light big enough that I can fit in here at 5'10", and I could almost fit underneath the shelf. So if you do have lots of coats, lots of shoes, bags, or anything like that, you don't have to worry. There is ample storage throughout the entire apartment. This apartment starts at a price of £635,000. There are some other apartments available which actually start at £450,000. Now you'll notice, just as you're coming through, there's actually a beautiful glass panel door which separates that entrance hallway to the living space. But that glass panel is there to allow natural light to move throughout the space. But when you come in, you can see that we're coming into this open plan living, dining, kitchen space that we've got. Now, I really like the fact this has been laid out in that L shape, and you've got 20mm composite stone tops that you've got here with that marble effect. Really nicely done. Plenty of storage for all of your pots, your pans, your food, things like that. But a couple of other nifty little features. You've got a little garbage disposal built into the sink unit here. And then take a look at this tinted mirror backsplash that you've got, which for me offers a real nice blend of luxury, but also does a fantastic job of opening up this space. But if that was just a plain mirror, it would be too harsh, it would be too stark, and that's not what we want. So this just blends, beautifully molds in with the colors that we've got. Now you've got integrated appliances in here as well. You've got an induction cooker top here by AEG, the same with the actual oven, and then you've got the microwave. You've also got dishwasher built in. You've got your washing machine, fridge, freezer over here in the corner, more storage in the drawers, and you've even got a drawer inside the drawer for all of your cutlery and things like that. Plus, even more cheeky storage, which has got to be for a few bottles of wine or your little bar. And then you've got your dining setup. Ample space here for you to be able to entertain a couple of friends, for you to have your dinner. But it's nice that you've got that space straight away that you can go to, that you can chill, you can have your dinner. And I must say, the whole design so far of this apartment, which has been done by Tommy Kebbell, really does lend itself to a very relaxed, very luxurious, very high-end finish. And if you are interested and you like the style of this apartment, speak to the people from Kebbell Homes, because there is a negotiation that can happen where you can actually have all of this furniture included for a separate price to the fees. But let's take a look at that living space. Before I go on to it, now I know it's just the rug, but I don't want to go onto this beautiful cream rug with my shoes on. So I'm just going to pop it down to the side. But just look at the space that you've got in here. a really quite a big sort of L sofa that you've got, but you could quite happily put a full corner sofa in here if you wanted to. And for me, I think that would almost make the separation between these two spaces that little bit more. So if you did want to kind of isolate this more as a lounge living space, you could do that. You've got your TV, obviously space and points that are all put there. There is Sky already included into the building, but you would need to arrange a separate subscription, but all of the Sky attachment points are already done for you. So that's another wonderful feature. And then you've got this, that balcony. You've got double set of doors that lead out onto this beautiful balcony overlooking those communal gardens. It's incredibly quiet, incredibly peaceful, and I can imagine that in the summertime would be a beautiful place to spend some time, to sit out here with a glass of wine, bit of music, game of chess, something like that would be absolutely fantastic. And it's a big space that you've got, and the other doors would open as well, so you can really have that kind of indoor outdoor feeling even though you're in an apartment. But let's go and check out the bedrooms, shall we? So we're going to move through into one of the bedrooms, but I'm actually going to keep my shoes off because it's nice and toasty in here because all of the apartments feature underfloor heating, but we're going to go into that in a little bit later on. But let's check out the first bedroom. Now, what struck me when I first came in is the size of these rooms. They are really quite spacious. Now, you've got a double bed in here, which is again beautifully done. I really love the textured wallpapers that have been added in, softening this actual apartment. It's got a very tranquil feel. Built-in wardrobes do come as standard in all of the apartments, and you can see the wardrobes are really deep, lots of hanging space, shelf space at the top as well, so ample space for you to be able to store all of your bits. And then something that the designer Tommy Kirby's done fantastically is they've put this almost floating vanity in. That doesn't come included as a standard feature. And I personally think you could probably even put a couple of chairs or stools in here. And I think this would definitely be something I would be adding in if I was to move in here, because I think it's a really clever use of the space. And a nice view outside, you've got those communal gardens. It's a beautifully laid out and a beautifully designed room that you've got here. Let's now go check out the bathroom and the primary bedroom. So we're now going to go into the bathroom, which is directly opposite the bedrooms. And the first thing I want to talk about is these tiles, Minoli tiles. You've got floor, wall, all the way through to the ceiling, which you wouldn't normally see in an apartment. So I really like that. And they're a beautiful marble effect that we've got. I also love the fact that you have the option of a bath or a shower and that you can get to the taps really easily. The niche that's been cut in there as well, nice for being able to put your knickknacks in. Although actually, hang on, this is feeling a little bit stark, this lighting. It's not very relaxing. Tom? Ooh, that's better. A little bit more chilled, because what they've tried to do here is really create that spa-like feeling in these bathrooms. And I think they've achieved that fantastically. Plus, look at this. You've even got an LED heated mirror included as well. Love it. Now, turn around because I want to show you the other bedroom. A really beautifully sized bedroom that you've got here. Built-in wardrobes again, ample storage and space, more than enough space to be able to have the bedside tables. The styling in here, ever so slightly subtly muted colours, very calming, very luxurious, very high end. And it does feel very sumptuous. Even though we've now changed over to carpets as well while we're in the bedroom, you still have that underfloor heating. So it's a really warm, cozy environment, very relaxing for going to bed. But that's the 2-bed apartment that we've got. So why don't we now go and compare it to the 1-bed apartment? So we've now come upstairs into the 1-bedroom. Now, this is your entrance hallway. Before we go anywhere else, I do want to just show you that you do get ample storage in here as well. And as you all expect, I'll climb inside the cupboard to prove that it still is amply big enough. But remember, this is just a 1-bed apartment. Now, we are going to come to the open plan living space, which is just through the glass door in a moment. But before we do that, we've just had a look at the bedrooms downstairs. So I want to compare that to the bedroom that you get in this flat. when you come in, the first thing I think you notice is the size of this bedroom is brilliant. It's just like the bedroom you've seen in the 2-bed apartment already. Now you'll notice that the styling in this room is very different from what we saw in the previous apartment. That's because this styling has been done by Investor. Now again, if you do like this particular furniture, the soft furnishings, this can be arranged as something separate. Again, don't forget, all the information will be in the box below. So if you are interested in these properties, make sure you follow the links down there. But you've still got wonderful view, nice space, windows, and the built-in wardrobes that of course come included as a standard. But again, this is a really big wardrobe that you've got for just a 1-bed apartment. So plenty of storage space, and those mirrors obviously make it super easy when you're getting ready to go out. But let's check out the bathroom. The same tiles, the same styling that we saw downstairs in the other apartment. You've got mirrors as well with that heated functionality to it. Plus, you've got the option of the bath and the shower. Again, very spa-like, very spacious, and very relaxing. Just before we move on, just going to draw your attention. Now, we spoke about the underfloor heating and the fact that you've got underfloor heating throughout all of the apartments here. If you've never had it before, you might be wondering, well, okay, well, how does this kind of work? Well, it's all broken down into zones, basically rooms, and then each room will have its own digital display where you can control the temperature for that particular room or space, which means if you're not going to be in the hallway that much, then you could turn the hallway down so you don't have to have it as hot as maybe the bedroom or the bathroom. Now, before we go and have a look at that open plan living space, obviously we're an apartment block, so you need to be able to communicate with anyone who's maybe going to be coming up to see you. So you've got your intercom system here, which is fantastic because you can also access the cameras, which will be looking down into the street as well. So if you are looking to have a look and you want to see who's about, you want to see who's coming up, you've got the opportunity to do that. So simply tap onto that screen and now we get an actual view live of the front of the building. So you can always check, or if it's your delivery drivers, something like that. But you've also got the capabilities to let people in using this, and it can remotely connect to an app as well. But let's go and look at the best bit, that open plan living space. So you can see as we're coming in, you've still got that glass panel door allowing that natural light to move around, but you can see that the kitchen layout is very different. You've still got this beautiful Cardine flooring throughout the home, this nice light grey. You've got those same worktops as well, but it's a more straight line. It's a pushed back against the one side, which for me is nice because it really opens up this space. You've got the same integrated appliances, you get the same features in the waste disposal, all the integration that you're looking for in your washing machine, dishwasher, all that, except it's just pushed back. You've still got ample space though, a 4-seater dining table which fits in beautifully, not cramped at all. So if you are going to have guests around, friends over, anything like that, still perfect. But then when you come into the actual living space, for me it feels much more communal. It feels like a really integrated space and amply big enough for you to be able to really enjoy this space as well. So if you did want to just sit, have a read, listen to some music at the end of a night or a hard day of work, you can do that. If you wanted to replace the artwork that we have here and put your TV, you've got space for that. If you wanted a corner sofa, perfect. You've got space, and you've still got a balcony here as well, which you access through these 2 double doors, which open this time into the living space itself. But if you want that feeling of having the inside outside, it's possible here too. So imagine on a really nice, beautiful summer morning, you could sit out here, have your coffee, at peace and quiet, or even just listen to the rain. Beautiful is that? We're out on the balcony now, and you can see that you've got a beautiful view of those communal landscape gardens that you've got. And yes, in the summer months, that will be absolutely fantastic. And in the winter, of course, what do we get here in England? We get rain. But there's something really quite peaceful about listening to the rain while I'm cozy and dry on my little balcony. I think that is really quite magical. Now, don't forget, if you did like this apartment or the other apartment, they are available for you right now, and all the information will be in the box below. And let us know, which one did you prefer, and maybe let us know why. And we can't wait to see you in the next episode. Take care.
Hey New Build Show, I'm Millie, and today we're touring this £2 million apartment by Kebbell Homes here in Ascot. So I wanted to start the tour by giving you a look at the building itself, which is so impressive.